Welcome guys, Cream Bars back again with a narration video. Today we'll check out Millions Y Pre. Someone asked me to check out this, and so we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. Wait, why is that? Little Duns, wait. Little Duns River? Oh, is that, wait, is that Jamaican artist? Or a UK artist? Oh, the UK artist guy said GRM Daily. So him do the video out in Jamaica. Alright. Let's see what's going on. Jamaican style. Oh damn. Plane arriving. Let's get it.
Okay, so she wants to show you drop back. If that's the case, it's no deals on the stone. Oh no, check operator service on my phone. That's so dodgy. For all my dead niggas, I don't wear no puppy. Man, rise up.
Damn, that dude flying. Say that England dude. Okay.
I just seen that whip circle twice. Is it them funny youths or CID? Why pre? Yo, this your bean, I don't need ID. I had my shan't tucked since Levi jeans. The man done got the deuce up in VIP. Why pre? You hopped off the porch in 219. I just seen that whip circle twice. Is it them funny youths or CID? Why pre?
Man in the garrison, bro. Yeah, the garrison please. You see me? Man, I'm gonna resort and like that.
Why pre? You hopped off the porch in 219. No, Wi-Fi in a Banzino. Gaster can check my snap when I reload. But it's mad calm only logging into Taddy's girl, I'm busy. Farm in a T-home. Started with the 8th of a Zeno. Piss when it weighed 3.3 on the skilos. Now, in my town, I'm a hero. Off for 8 months, I like, hey, where you been, bro? Let my workers stir in a vehicle.
Wait. I feel this, I don't know if this dude is from Jamaica or he have Jamaican parents or, but the way he's here seem like he probably born here and went to England. I'm not really sure. You guys are gonna let me know because I don't know anything about this dude. But I'm sure that you guys, especially the person who asked me to do this, gonna fill me in.
Friends like regular people. Ask me what I do, I said nothing illegal. I'm legal. Man's done turn up the M already, so on the sat nav, thick avoid motorways. Due to punch off my workers' face, he put the ding focus on Toyota plates. Got Jan say 3 times in the hotline. Same name, 3 separate fiends. My killies ain't in for section 18, it's other county lines or shooting up schemes. My nigga said man should hit that spot, bear man, the Scott bag was a big operation. Raving, gonna be the only one in the black population. And when man's in the station, answer my name to the sergeant, after that there's no cooperation. Bordeaux Veeks ain't got double glazing, best man and you go round trouble making. Flicky in football training, line off all he
Yo, the yang, yo.
can't even blame him. I just seen that whip circle twice, is it them funny youths or CID? Why pre? Yo, this your bean, I don't need ID. I had my shan't since Levi jeans.
Authentic Jamaican rum panning. I say, man, nah, they got that in bro. Nah, they got that rum there, bro.
I just seen that whip circle twice, is it them funny youths or CID? Why pre? Yo, this your bean, I don't need ID. I had my shan't tucked since Levi jeans. The man done got the deuce up in VIP. Why pre? You hopped off the porch in 2. Should be Manchester man's braffing. This time I never put it on a train, I had it live or in the glove compartment. Machine in the vehicle, man, don't get cast it. Take time and the humps can't might just ras it. Local dance man's hashtag water. It's like 2 a.m. if there's nothing open, I'll be pissed if I gotta go slaughters. Jarring, I beg your pardon, my mob chew any and everyone's borders. OT trips, them man never forward. 015 Swindon in my Pradas. 2 brick phones on the table, 1 hotline and 1 for the soldiers. In JA it's at M16, in the UK shoot off 6-shot revolvers.
Oh my god.
That's
a really good thing, bro, but it's nothing in the lie right there.
That's just a bonus.
Nothing in
And
the
I
lie.
thought I was capping. If it's section 18, it's a stabbing. Chattings, them gal are wassing. Saying that millions, you, I can't stand him. Hey, get relax your mouth and stop blabbing. I was banged up, bro, so you got it cracking. Bow. And I still take my tree start a dream weekend. Run with boom and a legal skeng. Real yard is next to the
wait. Herb.
Hey, my girl, stand straight and don't stab it. I just seen that whip circle twice. Is it them funny youths or CID? Why pre?
All up
Yo,
on the
this your
girl,
bean, I don't need ID. I had my shan't tucked since Levi jeans. The man done got the deuce up in VIP. Why pre?
Why pre?
219. I just seen that whip circle twice. Is it them funny youths or CID? Why pre? Yo, this your bean, I don't need ID. I had my shan't tucked since Levi jeans. The man done got the deuce up in VIP. Why pre?
Why pre? Fire. Gary, see you would.
Production.
1 million. This is the first I ever heard about this dude. I'm not gonna lie. verse. Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction video. It's not as high powered as I like it, but it's cool. It's cool. I'm more to like the high power UK music that's get me riding. When I hear it, my heart a little beating. This is more chill. This is more like a chill type song. But it's cool. Not gonna lie, I like how we shoot it in Jamaica, but as I said before, I don't know if he's a Jamaican or his parents are Jamaican or out work out there. Let me know. Let me know in the comment section. So peace out.